GRT at the time of this recording continues to push even higher after breaking a key area of resistance above the 0.1086, flipping that key area back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we can easily continue pushing higher, breaking above the 0.175 mark in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I will be starting my video here on the daily chart, where you can see that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we saw this aggressive bounce over here in a move that gave us a high above the 0.1322, completing the formation of this impulsive due to count 1. Then we started a bit of a decline over here in the formation of that second wave, where you can see that I had my minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the chart using that yellow target area, and that is between the 0.08 mark and the 0.0989, an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made down there on the 7th of April to the highs we made above the 0.13 mark. And on so doing, you can see that my target area is between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and at some point we overshot the fib level 0.78, though you can see that GRT was able to see a very nice recovery over here, and I'm still expecting that these can continue pushing even higher and turn out to be the formation of these impulsive due to count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.1748, an area that we can easily hit in the next coming hours. Then expect a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of that wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side, easily giving us a break above the 0.2 mark in the next coming days. And for us to get a confirmation that the formation of this wave 3 is just getting started, we first need to see a break above the swing highs we made above the 0.1254. We also need to see a break above the high we made in the formation of this wave 1 above the 0.1314. The moment we manage to break above those significant highs, flipping them back into support, then that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario is now unfolding, and we can easily continue pushing higher, having the 0.175 as our next target area. So that is all that I'm expecting on the daily chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, here on the 4-hour chart, I have a key area of resistance that I'm also paying attention to, because on my last video I said that I was expecting to see a 5-wave structure over here from the highs we made above the 0.1314, and you can see that played out over here, fully maximizing the minimum target areas. And having seen that 5-wave structure, it is most likely that whatever is playing out over here can easily turn out to be a corrective structure. That is an ABC corrective structure, having that as a wave A, a pullback in a wave B, and this could be the formation of the wave C. And the area that we need to pay attention to as an area of resistance can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made above the 0.1314 to the lows we made down here. And on so doing, the Fibonacci key area of resistance that we need to see a break above for us to continue expecting higher prices lies between the fib level 0.7, that is the 7.8, and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.118 and the 0.093, which is the yellow target area here on the 4-hour chart. So if by any chance we manage to break above this key area of resistance, then that will be a clear indication that the scenario that I have here on the daily chart, where I am expecting a 3, that is a third wave structure to the upper side, will continue to play out, having the 0.175 as our next target area. But if by any chance we get rejected within this area over here, then that will be a clear indication that we can continue pushing a little bit lower here on the GRT chart, and maybe at some point even get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days, or maybe the lows we made on the 22nd of June. So those are the two possible scenarios that you can expect in case we get rejected within this area over here. But if by any chance we break above it, then continue expecting higher prices, having the 0.175 as your next target area. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.